Hi guys, I am going to tell you that one side hustle that makes you 10,000 to lakhs easily. So watch this video till the end because it changes your life. Before that, if you want to learn various side hustle like this, then check out my playlist in the above cards. So in this video, I am going to walk through how to make lakhs by creating logo design using an AI. Logo designer is a difficult job because you have to analyze top to bottom of the company to design their logo. That needs huge creativity and you have to brainstorm to come up with the idea. So by using AI, it will make easy for us to design any logo that are assigned by complicated business. But as I told you, any side hustle needs consistency and hard work to make that side hustle into full-time income. So wake up from your dreams and focus on this video. At first, go to your browser and search huggingface.co. This is the interface of the website. The website link is also attached in the description, so check it out. There are various tables in the top such as models, datasets, and spaces, etc. Now click Spaces. This feature contains almost all AI features such as image generation, video generation, language translation, background recover, image upscaler, etc. This AI website is so useful because it has all kinds of AI. So bookmark this website. That one is enough for all purposes. For logo generation, search logo generator and click that. After that, give prompts as clearly as possible for whatever logo you want. For this video, I just type as. After that, click generate logo. If you don't satisfy with this logo, then regenerate it by clicking generate logo again. Play with prompts as much as you want to get perfect logo. Now I am gonna explain how to by doing this. I was already told in my videos about Fiverr. So I am gonna show how much the freelancer charges for logo designing. This is the Fiverr website. Let's search as logo design. You see, there are plenty of freelancers charging 1000 to 4000 for one logo. If you have got 10 projects, then it easily earns you 10,000 rupees. So at first, create an account in Fiverr, then create gigs like this. Promote your Fiverr account in Instagram and LinkedIn. Wait for some time. Once you got order, try to analyze your client's company or business. Create an exact prompt that describe the business. After that, give that prompt to the website and generate logo. Show the generated logo to your clients. If your clients accepts the logo, then they make payments to you. After that only, you should send the copy of the logo. That's all. It sounds easy, but if you are consistently promoting your Fiverr account in Instagram, then it is easy to get more clients. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustles like this. Follow us on Instagram and Telegram for more updates. See you in the next video. Goodbye.